A former Texas State University student is in custody after authorities found out about domestic terrorism and mass violence threats he made online. According to the FBI, Benjamin Bogard was arrested earlier this month in New Braunfels on child pornography charges. Agents found disturbing videos and images on his computer and phone. But law enforcement sources tell KXAN he also created disturbing videos. He talks about white supremacy and a desire to kill minorities. Law enforcement sources say Bogard also talked about getting material for a chemical bomb. Texas State University officials confirming that Bogard was enrolled in both the fall of 2017 and the spring of 2018. He is not currently a student there.